That was awesome. Wow.
I'm glad I came because I wanted to get.
Oh yeah, yes sir. That was great, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name, man?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Petty.
Okay. What else in here real quick?
We got 4 of the T Resilient Sound 18s.
Okay.
Powered on 4 of the Teramps MD8K.
Okay. And you built this?
No, a buddy of mine built it.
Okay. And it's the 6th order.
Yeah.
Do you know the tunings on it, roughly?
I'm a phone.
You know? Okay. Wow.
I'm glad I came because I wanted to get.
Oh yeah, yes sir. That was great, man. I appreciate it. Is it back open? Can I see the amp?
Yeah. I think it is open.
Yeah. Oh. Woo.
Wired fast,
It's hot. Are these wired? What are they wired to?
half.
Half them? Oh, so you kind of gotta watch them.
Well, no, actually no. The only thing, I just recon that stuff, so
Oh yeah. You gotta
take it easy on it.
Yep.
That's why I just turned them up a little bit more.
Yes sir. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you. That was great. That's low. My back itches. Holy smokes, man, that is brutal.
Yeah, that's what it was built for.
Yeah, that was a great demo song too. It shows your slope, like frequency plays what, down to like 21, 22 hertz? Solid, man. Yeah, thank you for the demo, man. That was awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.